What's he doing out there, girl? Not bringing you a bale of hay, is he? Normally that's why he's got the tractor out in the pastures. Out of the way, cows! Cows don't even seem phased. So this was that big clump of pines right behind my garden. They're all gone, except for one humongous stump that Craig could not get. And then one tree that we're going to leave in here for shade purposes. So this has been an important tool this weekend. You notice I got a little bit of a sag in the fence. So did my cow. And she played the chase me game all day yesterday. I seen her jump it. I'm definitely going to have to get some more posts right in here where it's sagging. But I was about ready to turn her into some homegrown fresh steak yesterday. Well, I must have found something good under there. Finding the good stuff, ladies? Alright, so I fixed that sag, and hopefully that'll contain her little butt. So this was that big clump of pines right behind my garden. They're all gone, except for one humongous stump that Craig could not get. And then one tree that we're going to leave in here for shade purposes. So that's what it looks like today. A lot of cleanup. I'm hoping to get the goats in here to start working. And then the cows are now on to their second paddock. So what I've done is just created this lane here that then leads into currently just one paddock. So here's the lane. And it leads off into here. Oops. So, not a large area, however, large enough. Although Nellie doesn't think so. Do you, girl? She's been a problem a time or two. Crazy heifer is what she is yet. Hopefully she'll calve and settle down. And hopefully she don't try to frickin' follow me over here. But I took the time too then and made then their third paddock, a fourth paddock, and a fifth paddock into this area. And now I need to get back before she spots me or decides that she wants to come out and take a walk with me and turn on that fence. But so this is what I did, is turned one pasture then into 5 different paddocks. Last year they would get one paddock or one little pasture a week, and I had 4 of them. So this year, this is of all the trees that we cut down. This year what I'm hoping is to get 5 pastures, and then if I can divide them up into 4 to 5 different pieces and still use them a week, that should increase my grass. I'm hoping anyways. And I know there's all kinds of stuff about stock density and all of that, but I don't have the time to sit down and try to figure all that out, and I've only got the 4 animals. Well, I got a heck of a lot more animals than that, don't I? Don't I, girl? She's the only mama that hasn't bounced back. She's still looking pretty scrawny. But then the other 2 mamas that I have here only have 1 baby, where she has 2. Even Doris was looking better, having 3. Last year she had her babies and she lost all of her hair. It seems to be really hard on her. I don't know if you can notice that. I am dealing with lice, so that's part of the issue. Oh, are you trying to catch that little baby again?
No, I was trying to find you. I've been wandering around the whole farm yelling, Mom.
Oh, I didn't hear you. I had to get this fence turned back on before Nellie figures out that it's off. I had to fix a post.
Yeah, she's screaming back there.
Oh yeah, because she see me walking around.
Hazel looks like she's screaming.
Oh.
Hide behind the tree, Hazel.
She's a tattletale. This is the water she's choosing to drink. There's so many other options. This is the duck pond that's about a week old.
Oh, hey, naughty.
And you're going to drink out of the duck pond that's about 3 days old. Gross. Right in there is their water. Nice, fresh, and clean. Well, here's the fence charger I have for the big fence. I think we got this at Tractor Supply. And it's hot. What are you doing, Pixie girl? Hello, Miss Pix. Get used to it. Y'all are going to be out there in this for a bit. You turkeys get a little too close. Yeah. Yeah, you're always right here. Hi, Pixie. That's my jacket, mister. Are you scratching? So weird. You're trying to get into the feed barrels. Hi, Pixie. Are you a pretty girl? Huh? Are you a pretty girl? Those are my fingers. That's my finger. I feel good. Yeah, wish I It just feels good. You got your mama's sweet personality. Yes, you do. Shall I just put you ladies all in here tonight? If I got a tarp in here, I can. Or a pallet in here, I can. Here's my broody duck. Each day she moves that nest a little farther out of the coop. I'm not certain where she's planning on going with it, but soon there should be babies. Turkeys and quail. And roosters. Are you two not getting along? Plenty of ladies for the two of you. So this is where the goats have been hanging out during the day when they go to take their rest. So I'm gonna get them all in here and get them eating and give them some hay and more water. And this is where I'm gonna let them sleep tonight versus in the barn. What do you think of that? What were you trying to do?
See if there's any spots of icing that is thin so that way I could see if it's a boy or girl.
Oh. We'll get to find out pretty soon. So what do you think it is?
Girl.
A girl?
I know the baby would be a little baby. Girl baby.
What do you
baby?
What do you think it's
I'm
gonna
betting on twin girls.
be? Twin girls. Oh.
Somebody else in this family's got to have twins.
Oh, well, you know what? I was worried my first ultrasound.
Someone in this family's got to have twins. Well, you know, my ultrasound said one baby.
Yeah. I've heard that, like, sometimes they don't show up till, like, later, too.
Yeah,
I just,
well, mine developed like this. So, of course, the ultrasounds back then weren't any good. I mean, they weren't like they are now. But they only saw one baby with kind of fast heartbeat. But they were just, everything was in unison, all the movements. If it's pink inside, it's a girl. If it's blue inside, it's a boy. And if it's striped, it's twins. So.
Yeah.
Well, I think it is Marvel regardless, so.
What does that mean?
That means sextuplets.
I'm going to watch the spoon. I'm going to watch the knife.
I don't see anything on the knife. I was trying to look at the knife and nothing.
Do you want to give her
No.
a plate so she
They
can...
cooked it well.
I see something. Yeah.
Oh, that's probably a big piece, isn't it?
Your grandmother's cooking.
That was for the ice cream. The fork was for the cake.
It's yellow.
Plot twist, they forgot to
It's
put
a
the icing.
puppy. It's a girl. Told ya so.
Yes, girl!
No way.
We're gonna have a girl. These boys are awesome, but we need a girl in the family. Who wants a huge piece?
I want a small piece.
I forgot how wide this.
Mama, we're doing the ice.
Did you kids find a new toy? playing a game of who can stay up there the longest. Saturn, it looks like you. Oh, Oreo's gonna try. Hey, Pixie. So Pixie was getting bullied in here. Since her mama left, she was princess, but her tiara has slipped now that mama's not here to protect her. So she's been being bullied. So what happened is, I put everybody else in the A-frame, and then she just hung out here by herself. But she was close, so all was well. How are you cows doing? Enjoying some fresh water? Y'all gonna meet me out in the pasture? I'll try to get y'all a new pasture area. Well, I already got it set up. I just gotta get it opened up for them, which means I have to turn this fence off. Oh, buddy, those gnats are driving you nuts. I don't know if y'all can see that. He's just chewed up by his eyes. These things are horrible. I'm gonna have to get some vinegar spray on them. And I'm also working on getting everything blocked off to where they stay toward the back of the yard and in the pastures. These ladies are gonna run to the barn, but I got it closed on you girls. You can hardly see that little quail in there, perfectly camouflaged. Well, that was sad. I paused the camera, but I got another quail. This is the second quail that has died. I got to get them definitely some water in a spot where they know it is, so they're not trying to jump in the ducks' pools. Sad little thing. Mama's off the nest. I don't know how many still is in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think there's 12 eggs in there. Am I disturbing you? I'm sorry. I'll let you be and let you lay your eggs. Oh, Mama's back. I was just checking. Oh, such a good mama. They're all there.